Jamie, ladies and gentlemen, it's Jeff here, 30-minute trader. Now, some people said to me, Jeff, you've produced this amazing strategy for New York, but is there any way it can be replicated for the London session? Rather than just say, well, go and back test it. The truth is, that's what I said, because I do want people to test these things themselves. So I'm going to share with you right now. I said to the chap, check every day last week, and I'm going to send this to him just now. So thanks for that. And this will go to everyone else. So let's make sense of this here. This is 1 hour time frame, ladies and gentlemen. I currently get no indicators on. I'll get this over here. When I switch that, it will come on. I have to make sense of that. And I said to my inner circle, I'm going to give you a strategy that makes 3% a week. Now, have you actually looked at that strategy earlier on? Depending on when you entered, when you exited, you'd make 6 to 8% just on the New York session. So we're going to test this out. You tell me what you see and what you don't see, and I'll just give you a few pointers. So does this look like it's easy to understand? Does it look like it's a mess? We'll soon find out, ladies and gentlemen. We'll soon find out. So here we go. I'm on the 1 hour time frame. And what I'm doing is I'm going to click this off here. Yeah, and all will be revealed. So I'm going to unhide my drawings. And in fact, I think I'm going to unhide everything. Hide it all. There we go. Just there's my drawings there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Monday. I'm going to go to 3 a.m. So this here is a 2 a.m. candle on the 1 hour. So I'm draw a line across there and there, and I do that every day. Yeah, and that's the 2 a.m. That's the 2 a.m. The 2 a.m. 2 a.m. 2 a.m. In fact, more than 5 days. But I'm just going to go back to Monday, Friday. There is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yep. So I've just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So from here, I'm just going to do this to the side. So just for transparency, just for clarity. Right. So I've done that there. There's the line, the high, there's the line. I go down to the 1 minute or 5 minute, whatever, 2 minute, 3 minute, anything that grabs your. Yeah, I'm going to go back now to 3 a.m. It should go back in time, hopefully. There we go. So there's the high, which is slightly wrong. It's actually there. And we're going to go to the low. So there's the low, and that's slightly wrong because of anything. So we'll just drag that down ever slightly to there. Just for transparency, that's it there. So this is it. Simply now put on my liquid gold, and I've got a few other assets with that as well, ladies and gentlemen. But let's see what happens now. This is liquid gold. Now, what I'm looking for, ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking for it to come down. I'll leave a break of structure here. Do you see that break of structure? Now, up to you what you do, but I personally like to see this break of structure. It's broke the structure. Therefore, as long as it doesn't break this low, which it doesn't, I can take this buy. Does that make sense? So you tell me what to do. Two ways of entering. So let me just check. So I'll do that there, just on there when it breaks through that there on the other side. And we'll put this just on the low here, or we could do the low there. Personally, I just like the low there. And let's see, we've got 1.5, 1.6 even. So there's 1.6. It goes a bit higher. Let's say just see 1.6. Yep, just for nice and simple. What did I actually go anyway? Oh, 2.5%. I might claim 2 then. There you go. Let's say 2%. Yep. And it does other stuff. But there we go. That's on the Monday. Would you be disappointed with that? Yep. Our target is there. Does it achieve it? Yes, it does. Now, if I'd stayed in as what's promised, well, it's not really promised. There's 5.68%. Yeah, it's up to you what you do. Yeah, we go to the next day. Yeah, I'm just going to, so you can see that here. I go all the way along here. So I'm going to hide my indicator as well. Hide the indicator. I'm just going to go to the drawing. Yeah, I'm just going to pull that down just a little bit. And I'm going to get the high of this candle here. Go to the high of right there. Okay, so let's see what happens. Are we going to win? Are we going to lose? So first, it goes up and up and up. You know, I like a break structure. We've got a break structure. There we go. So we look for this pullback and drop. So there's a target here and there's a target the other side. So let's just see what happens. Yeah. One option, you could take that, but not so sure. So you got a new high there. That was a breaker structure. If you did do that, good on you. But hey, I'm not claiming that. So here we go. So there's the entry there as it breaks through. It's the first one. So, and I said there's a first target there. Remember I said that? So whether we enter there or whether we enter there, just pop that above the high. And what could we have got? 1.5. Not be disappointed. Let's call it 1.5. Yep. Yeah, when I pulled back, it could have did all different things. Yep. Okay, here's another one here. Here's another one here. So let's say we entered here. Should we everything good or bad? Stop loss just above the high again. And where did it go to? Now, you wouldn't exit the loss. So you just potentially stay in, got that there, not the best trade. Now let's see how far this goes if you actually stay in. Your stop loss is above here, ladies and gentlemen, even if you got that one there. If you weren't happy with the one, this one here, what would this have given us? Let's take it all the way to the limit. Let's see what's possible. Remember, promise was 3% a week on the New York session, and we got 6 to 8, and this is 5.5, and this is 4.5. Let's just say 5.5 and 4. There's 9. There's 10%. Yeah, and we're only on Tuesday. This is the power, ladies and gentlemen. Hide indicators. As horrible as that looks, let's just do that again. Let's get that there. It's not straight, so I'll just straighten it up. Yeah. We'll find the low, just for transparency. That's the low there, but that's after. Here. Yep. So plans to come down, and one target here, it's another target there. Let's see what happens. We are not in that trade. Yep. So it goes up, breaks the structure, goes up, pulls back down, and that candle goes there. Yeah, two options, there or there for the stop loss. Yeah, up to you, ladies and gentlemen, up to you. There, up, break structure, come down, pull back up. Yeah, there or there. Let's just put it at the bottom. Let's not be superstars. Target one up here, as I've said. 1.5%, so that'll be short. And then I said, if it was to go target two up there, did it achieve it? Let me just, did it achieve it? Boom, yes it did. No, it went up there. So first target achieved. So there's 1.5%. So that's 11.5%. And that would be in the afternoon session. That would have been the afternoon session. Next day, 11.5%. Now, you wouldn't get all this. You take 3% a week and leave the rest to everyone else. So let's do this again. Hide the drawings. That's the high. As you can see, And that's afterwards. That was definitely the high there. Breaks the high. Where's the low? That was definitely the low there. Yep. So goes up. Where's the break? Goes up. Breaker structures there. Goes back up. Oh, come on, Jeff. There we go. Get a little pullback and a fair value gap there. Drop like a stone to target. Let's put the indicator on. Simple, easy, and very effective. Have you ever seen anything as powerful and so consistent? Went up, where'd you exit? I don't know. Pick a, we're already entered, so you might even want to do it there, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know. Could you do it there? You could do it on there. Let me just try and see. You could do it from there to there. Use a GAN box. Try and get 50% to there. There's a 50%. There's your entry there, in fact. Those people who know me, that's what I see it all the time. You might have waited one candle. This and that. Down to there. 11.5, 12.5, 13.5, 14%. Yeah. Well done indeed. Well done. Now, next session and last one of the week. Got to remember there was 6 to 8 on the afternoon session, and whether it's 14, I actually don't know. I've lost count now. Ladies and gentlemen, people say the liquid gold doesn't work. Well, I'm just proving it wrong right now, haven't I? Now, I recommend people do, just dragging it down to there. You see that? I recommend people do this on EUR USD. Yeah, I said that the other day there. Now, I'm showing this live to everyone, but the setup, the indicator, everything else that goes up, you only get inside my inner circle 13-minute trader community. So you can see it goes up there. Depending on how far that would be target 1, target 2. Let's put the indicator on now. I've got a full setup. This is me going, so it goes down. We've got that there, pulls back up, stays that there, then breaks the structure there if you wanted. Some people would enter there, but this says here on the bottom there. Again, you could use that, but guess what? Let's no superstars here, please. And we have a target. Does it achieve 1.5%? It fails, ladies and gentlemen, this time, but does it go down? We would have been stopped out if we stayed in that trade. We would have been stopped out if we stayed in that trade. So let's call it a loss. Yeah, let's call that a low. It did eventually drop like a stone. So that's like 13.5%. 13, 10, a decent amount. So let's just go over that again if you took everything. Yeah. Now, I was only claiming 1.5%, it'd be different. Yeah, 1.6. That's 5.5. You put your own numbers on this. There's 4.5. 4.5 and 5.5. But there's, I don't know, that's 10. But again, let's only claim 1.6 on each. Yeah, it's 10. 1.5. 11.5. I think I've been fair. I've been pretty 11.5, 12.5, 13.5. There's 14. And I think this one was a loss. 14 and a loss. So I'm not even counting it. So 13%, ladies and gentlemen. Or you might say, no, it's not 14, Jeff. It's only 1.6 times 4. 1.6, whatever that is, it's 4, 5, 6, and a bit extra. Might call it 6%. 6%, 14%. Pick a number. You're looking for 3% a week. I think most people would take that. So my name's Jeff Goodwin. If you want to get the inside scoop, if you want to get everything firsthand from the inner circle 30-minute trader system, this is just one of our many options of trading. Contact me. Just say, Jeff, I want in. It's about time in the new year. and make a difference in my trading. Wherever you are, ladies and gentlemen, wherever country, whether you're in the UK, whether you're in the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, wherever it may be, ladies and gentlemen, Spain, Europe, Singapore, Indonesia, Thailand, wherever you are, I encourage you. That's right. Scotland, England, Ireland, Wales, America, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. That's right. And many more, ladies and gentlemen. If you think you deserve this, I suggest you check this out properly. It's time. It's time to take action, and I'll see you at the top. Bye for now.